Hello, I wanted to make a quick video just demonstrating a problem I found with the new Philips PicoPix Max projector. I've had the product now for about 5 days. It was quite a long wait for the product. I think I bought it back in September 2019 and it's finally arrived here in the UK in May. So there's been various issues I think with development, and I'm hoping that it's going to be a great product. And I've used it for a few days and it has really been really good. I've enjoyed playing with it and I've connected it to various devices such as, look down here, I've got things like the Amazon Fire Stick, I've got the Roku Streaming Stick Plus and Chromecast, together with Bluetooth audio headphones, and just using a simple stereo Makita stereo just for the output for the audio. So yeah, this works pretty much flawlessly with these devices. A few little teething issues with some sound I think on the Fire Stick, but yeah, overall quite pleased. And I think Philips have done a recent upgrade to the firmware to make it to version 1.10, which I think has improved it quite a lot. The fan noise has gone down, and it's basically a much cleaner user interface, and yeah, generally it looks like a big improvement to the product, so that was great. So that was all going well up until about a couple of days ago when I went to turn on the unit and the lamp didn't start up. So I'm hoping I can demonstrate the issue to you today and possibly some workaround, but let's see how it goes. So here goes first. I'm going to plug it in and run it off its own battery first. So if I press the on off button here, the blue light should mean it's charging and using its battery, I believe. I can hear the fan. If I look towards the wall, there's no light, no lamp. So I'm going to try something else now. I'm going to try a second test. I'm going to basically see if I can get the power supply to work. Now, there's no user manual for this product at the moment. It's in development, I believe, by the developers. But if you look on the website, which I'll publish the link in the description of this video, you should be able to see some information from developers. Yes, it's now working. We now have screen lamp on. I'll try and reproduce the test again, but it looks like there's something unusual with powering the machine up from battery mode and then using a power supply and vice versa. I'll try and do a few more tests just to prove this is working okay. Okay, so the projector is now working, so I'll try and reproduce the shutdown process and just see what happens on startup and so on. So I press the power button at the back. Okay, that's they're shutting down. Briefly on the screen, it's all gone quiet. So I'll try turning on the projector with just the battery power. It's working fine now on battery. And of course it wasn't working when I first tried it tonight, so that's a bit strange. Yep, all looking fine. So I'll now shut the machine down again. Shut down, and it's powered down. Okay. I'll now try and run it off the power supply. So the red light's on, power on. Fan noise. a lamp. So now it's running both off the battery and the main supply, which, as you saw earlier, it wasn't doing that. So what I've seen is it's almost like if you leave it overnight and try it again in the morning, the problem will return. You have to do that business of unplugging the power supply during the startup. So I'm hoping this is useful for you guys that may have these same problems as me, and for Philips, who can actually look into the issue and hopefully come up with a solution. But it's quite a shame really, because the product actually is very good, so I must give credit where it's due. But yeah, I'm just here to report some user feedback at this stage for this early product. So keep up the good work, Philips, and I'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks, bye.